We do isolated installations in Lake City. Since I'm typically the one involved in the installations, we decided to just go ahead and work on those wrap skills as well. Primarily, we've been shipping our products all over the place, and we're looking to pick up a little bit more of our local area with the wrap installations. Really, after calling and talking to the people here at Lowen, it was hands down the best option for us.
I was intimidated, but as you work through everything, it's not as intimidating as it can be, if you have the right trainer, I guess. In the end, if we can wrap the vehicles that we have, it was a success. So, and I believe that we can do that now.
The first couple of days is going to be a lot of information thrown at you. You're going to watch someone who's very skilled do it, and it looks daunting. So just not to get discouraged, just take in what you can and just keep going step by step. The first day I was kind of doubtful, but now I can see that this is something we could definitely do, which would open up an entirely new market for us. I would recommend Lowen Certified, definitely.